Well, hi, my name is Paula Osborne. I am from Kansas City, Missouri, and I have been with Gelish for 11 years. What I'm loving most about training this weekend is that we're coming together to learn and share with one another, and that's going to enable us to actually go out, of course, increase our business, but also educate other nail tech professionals so that they can stay ahead of the nail game. The most rewarding is just learning. After 30 years, I'm still able to learn, and that's really the most beneficial for me each and every day. And I think that's one thing, again, I like about Gelish is because they're always staying ahead of the game and bringing out something new and innovative. I love the education part. I love working with our distributors. I love when we go to the beauty shows, we're able to work with the nail techs, but specifically the students. I love working with the schools as well. So I think that's the whole aspect of being an educator with Gelish is just so a broad spectrum. Hi, my name is Paula Osborne, and I'm with Gelish and Morgan Taylor.